Hi, my name is Tom from Save the Date app. One of the reasons that Save the Date is so successful is the fact that anyone can get their guests to RSVP to their event using the website or the app and in a very easy way. The first screen you see when you log into your event is the dashboard. The dashboard screen is constantly updating and it shows a summary of the event. For example, you can see how many guests you have and how many have RSVP'd to the event. You can see what messages you've sent, your recent RSVPs, expenses you might have had, and so on. So you can always log in and have this brief summary. In this tutorial, I would like to show you how you update your event details and what is the event page. So we click here, event details, and this is the event details page. You have to update the event name, event date, time, location, GPS navigation link. This is for your guests to click on and just navigate to your event. The event time zone, and of course some photos, event owner photo or company logo, invitation, whatever you want. Some text, and of course you can modify some of the colors. So you click Save Event Details, and you can view the event page. Event page is just for your guests to view and understand which event is requesting them to RSVP. They have some summary of the event. The next screen I want to show you is the SMS screen. This screen is the screen you use in order to send your guests the RSVP messages. So this is a number we supply you. You don't use your personal number. You use one of our numbers. This is automatically will be displayed when you purchase the service. We have some template for you to use. I used event RSVP request. The app will automatically show the text needed for you to use when you send to your guests. So you can see it over here. You can choose if you want to schedule the message or just send it immediately. And when you click send to all guests, all your guests will receive the SMS message requesting them only to reply. When they reply to the message, they actually RSVP. You see all RSVPs in this screen, RSVP screen. We have some more buttons here for you to use. Send only to guests who haven't RSVP'd yet, or send only to guests who did RSVP. So you can use these buttons. That's it. I wish you a very efficient work with the app.